All right, let's shift our focus to find out what's happening as far as Maharashtra politics is concerned, because speculations over Uncle Sharad Pawar rejoining hands with nephew Ajit Pawar may finally come to an end after a meeting slated by the Sharad Pawar faction. According to sources, there's a growing chorus from several leaders within the Sharad Pawar fold, including some of their MLAs, that they should be part of the Mahayuti government in Maharashtra. A decision on this is expected on NCP-SP's two-day meeting set to be chaired by Sharad Pawar, and then, of course, the final decision will be taken basis that. All right, Shweta Verma, my colleague, will join me just in a couple of minutes to help us draw perspective as to what we are picking up. All right, Shweta joins me live. Shweta, very good morning. Keeping up with Maharashtra politics, the twists and turns and what sources are indicating always makes it far more interesting. But what are we picking up? What are sources suggesting? Because if this were to happen, then again we're going to be looking at how the dynamics in the state is going to change.
Well, a very good morning to you, Nivedna. That's right. In fact, the rumors are taking its peak when it comes to the Nationalist Congress Party reunion. Now we see that after the split, there is SP, that is Sharad Chandra Pawar Party and Ajit Pawar Party. But just after the MVA debacle, that's after the elections, again the rumors are picking up about the reunion of Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar. And this has picked up more mileage after on December 12. In fact, how Ajit Pawar met Sharad Pawar and in Delhi, in fact, and he extended his birthday wishes. There was a family reunion kind of a thing which took place, and similarly in other several occasions also we have seen both the leaders meeting and greeting together. And also to give a point to this, just yesterday, in fact, from Sharad Pawar Party faction leader Jitendra Awad, he took it to media and he stated that this is just rumors and this is nothing to do in reality, as this would, if this happens, in fact, if this reunion happens, this would certainly question the integrity of senior Pawar. Having said that, we have seen how there is a kind of soft corner that is already going on. So yes, as per the speculations that is going around on the names of Sharad Pawar getting again with Ajit Pawar, or Ajit Pawar getting ahead again with Sharad Pawar, and they would be in the Mahayuti alliance. So clearly we see that as of now from Sharad Pawar Party faction, there is nothing been clear. But yes, when it comes to Ajit Pawar, we are seeing that even they are keeping their moves close. They are not revealing anything. But yes, as per the rumors, as per the speculations that are taking place, it is likely that Sharad Pawar can shake hands with Ajit Pawar. Again, Nivedna, this is a political arena, and Ajit Pawar has again been tight-lipped if this is going to happen. But as per his political moves, it suggests that is why such rumors are taking place, that they might come together. Having said that, one again important point here is that how on Beed, that is Santosh Deshmukh murder case from Ajit Pawar, the already allegations on Dhananjay Munde is going on, to which Sharad Pawar has been pressurizing the Ajit Pawar faction. Clearly we see that here, as per the rumors and the speculations also, it is likely that Sharad Pawar can join hands with Ajit Pawar, but nothing is confirmed as of now. But when it comes to Jitendra Awad, he has said that this is completely a media rumor and nothing to do in reality.
Right, Shweta. I appreciate you putting that into context for us. And what will be the outcome of that? Well, you're going to keep us ahead. But for the moment, we'd have to leave the conversation at that. Time for a